Hey gang, we are recording Geprc, FPV, see how she flies, wish me luck, let's get up in the sky. I love the HD recording on this thing, it is awesome, absolutely awesome. And if you're asking guys, no, the sky zones aren't quite here yet. They are on their way, so you can see the quality of reception with this thing is exceptional, as is the picture quality. I'm not going to fly for too long, we're running out of daylight here, so just going to do a couple of skims around the place, go a bit of punch out, go on a bit of a punch out here. It handles the light remarkably well. It'll be interesting to see what the picture looks like. I better put it on angle and do a couple of rolls for you guys, otherwise I'll get some more complaints from people. Better keep it on the battery. Okie doke, here we come. I'll just do a bit of a flyby so you guys can listen to the motor of this thing. Okay, get a bit of horizon going, so we shall get a couple of rolls in the air. The light's disappearing guys, so it's actually handling the low light remarkably well, I thought. This thing is a real crackhead little unit. A real crackhead little unit, this thing. There you have it gang, the Skip 3. Decent little unit. Nice to fly, running out of light now. Just getting used to it still. First thoughts, she's a cracker. Absolute beauty. Standard tune is nice. You guys can see for yourself the onboard footage how decent it looks. It actually, the high def Caddx is really quite impressive, so you make your mind up for yourself. What do you think? Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of it. If it's worth buying, if you want one. I'm going to start giving away a couple of these units, so stay tuned for details on my giveaway coming up, as I'm sure it'll be well worth it. Your while. In the meantime, just going to do a couple of spins around. If I can get close to that light pole, you guys can see how cool this camera really is. It is a beauty. This thing's lots of fun, guys. What a beauty. Let's bring her home. Oh, it is getting dark, isn't it? That camera performs really well low light. There you have it, gang. The Geprc. Skip. Don't skip this one. What a beauty. Hey, okay. Just in time too, I'll just stop my VTX. Hope you got some decent footage. I certainly had a ball. I can't wait to get out and fly this thing again. What a perler. Standard picture and everything. Excellent stuff. Great for the beginner and novice. Again, I'm just running the Tattoo 300 mAh 4S on it. Flight time, as you saw, yeah, 3 to 4 minutes. Pretty cool. Certainly not going to burn out the ESCs. You beauty.